This is Project Mayhem, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Mayhem is finished in full gloss Santorini black with black accents all around. Mayhem sits on 20-inch Kahn Mondale retro wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 6-point external cage, tubular A-bar front bumper with worn winch, custom edged engraved steering guard, 4 LED round spotlights up front and 2 at the rear. Inside, Mayhem features a Momo Nero steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Corbeau RRS front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a vertical diamond Catiana leather, stitched together in Garrett steel. This 110 is powered by our 650 horsepower LT4 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. Mayhem also features an array of modern touches, such as Kenwood Excellent touchscreen head unit, Infinity Kappa audio system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.